guys, today we'll remove some badges from the F150. We'll start with the EcoBoost badge. As you must know by now, I don't like chrome and I want to turn all the chrome on this truck to black. So I'm removing all the badges. I will replace the F150 badges with black F150 badges, but the EcoBoost, I don't need it, I don't want it, and I don't need to show to everyone in the world that my truck is an EcoBoost. Anyway, I want to remove that, so let's jump to it right away. Pretty hard on the finger. There we go. I don't know if you can see, but the only difference is the paint is obviously in a better condition under the sticker, since it doesn't have 6 years old of sun damaging the clear and stuff like that. But it does a pretty good job. And at the beginning I was using a seafoam. It's a leftover that I had because I don't have a WD-40, but it was taking forever, so I took old gas that I have from my chainsaw, and it goes like a charm. The only thing is I don't know how bad it can be for the paint, so I hurry to wash it with soapy water and Windex afterward. But so far it's done a great job, and it way faster than seafoam. I obviously haven't tried WD-40 since I don't have some, but now it's the turn of the other side of the other EcoBoost badge, and if it go well I will do the F150 badges today, but we'll see. But I will update you about that, guys. Okay guys, so I'm removing the F150 badges, and you can go so far with the fishing line because you have pins on the crest that go into some hole in the fender of the truck. So I'll show you how I'm doing it so you won't struggle and trying to cut through the pin. What I'm doing is simply I'm using a plastic pry bar, so I can cut until here, but from here I'm just prying with that plastic. It's a spoon actually, and when I'm eating with a heat gun, it's simply as you can see, it's splitting from the truck pretty easy just by the heat. And I move my plastic piece farther and farther as long as the gap is getting bigger. So don't struggle with the pin, guys, just use this method. If you don't have a heat gun, you can use a hair blower. It's way slower, but it will work anyway. I'm ready to reinstall not those one but the new one, black one, and as you can see there are holes behind. It's fun because you can install some badges with LEDs, but in my case it's plain black, so I need to align the badge so it can hide all the holes, and the one in the middle is a pretty big one, and obviously I cannot hide it with the 5 because my badge will be in the door, so I need to hide it. With the 1 here because I cannot hide it with the F either because this hole will show. So the big hole need to be right here. I will still be able to see a bit of a gap of the dent of the hole. As you can see, there's kind of taper thing around the hole, so I will be able to see a bit of it but not too much. It's still in plastic, but anyway, you'll see when it will be installed. So yes, I'm getting ready to install that. I will heat up the fender with the heat gun so the glue stick well, since it's not super hot today outside here. Show a bit. I need to move this right there. It's a bit closer to the door than the other one. The other one was about an inch and a half from the gap, but as I said, because of the hole, the big hole, I need to hide it, so it was behind the one which was the best place. So this is the final product. So I'll do the same on the other side, and this will conclude this video. So please like the video and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the little bell so you'll be notified as soon as I will release a new video. On this, I wish everybody a great day and see you later. Bye.